Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jasmine. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. So today is Saturday. I've literally spent most of the day reading and finishing up one of my newest books from Colin Hoover. So that's what I've been doing, not really being very productive, even though I need to be. I ended up going to bed super late last night because we went to go see the movie Nope in theaters, and we got home at like 1:30. I think we went to bed at like 3 o'clock in the morning. So it's been a long day. On today's agenda though, we do need to pack. We're going on a little family vacation. It's like staycation almost because it's in New York State, but we're really excited to go. I'll show you guys some of my outfits, and I'm going to be showing you guys my shoes that I'm going to be wearing with these outfits. And with that, shout out to Vivaya. They are sponsoring today's vlog. Vivaya was founded in 2020 with the mission to become the most sustainable brand in the fashion industry. They create elegant, eco-friendly, and comfortable footwear from recycled plastic water bottles and other natural materials. They've also transformed over 2.5 million recycled plastic bottles into comfortable and fashionable shoes. So the first outfit I selected, I have two options. I have a black version of the dress and then a white creamish version of a similar dress. I'm going to be pairing the dress with these Vivaya shoes. These are the Aria 5 Degrees. These shoes are super comfortable and super lightweight. I personally hate uncomfortable shoes. My feet need to be comfortable at all times, and these are perfect for that. They're also very chic. They look so beautiful. I love the design on these. This particular style has quite a few colors to choose from. The Aria style that I selected is made out of hemp, which is one of the most sustainable natural fibers. Hemp fabric is also naturally antimicrobial, which I didn't know, but I'm really amazed at. It also effectively inhibits the growth of microbes and other bacteria, destroying them within 1 hour. These are so elegant. I definitely cannot wait to wear them. They're also super comfy, which is something that I really look for in shoes. These mules are going to be a fall staple for me. I am obsessed with this color. I think it is so beautiful. I never really pick out color, but I really want to get more into color this summer and fall season. So this is the perfect color for me. Not too bright, just the right amount of yellow. It looks so flattering on my skin tone. I think they're so classy and just classic. So these are the mules that I am literally obsessed with. I do want these in some more colors because I feel like they look so nice. The next pair of shoes that I picked out were these, and I thought these were so stylish. These definitely remind me of like boss chic girl from New York City. These also do have a slight heel, which I think is really nice. These are for sure gonna be another fall staple for me. I can already tell I'm gonna get good use out of these, and they go with so many different outfits. I love the color. The lighter blue almost looks like a denim. I think it's really nice. I love the pointed toe, and for these I'm styling them with some light wash blue jeans and then a white creamish top. Thank you again to Vivaya for partnering with me on today's vlog. They did provide a code for you guys. It is 15% off with the code JAA15 off the entire website. The links to all the styles I featured will also be down below in my description box. Alright girls, so on today's agenda, I have to finish packing. I also need to clean because a lot of cleaning needs to be done in this house. I feel like it always needs to be clean. I don't know. Is it just me? Is it just my house? Or is it every house? I also need to film some content, edit some content, submit some content, which I haven't even started editing yet, but I really need to submit it today, so that's interesting. I'm also I also need to answer some emails that I have been slacking on. A lot of things need to happen today, you guys. A lot. I think I'm gonna need a few more cups of coffee to get my life together. Yeah, let's go make some coffee. Hey y'all, so
I feel like Steve Harvey would do something like that. He just has the personality.
probably.
I just feel like Steve Harvey would just be like,
probably. Abe Lincoln, Steve Harvey. Cheers, guys. You can hear Callie's TV. She's like watching some show, but sipping on coffee, scrolling through TikTok, you know, the usual. But yeah, I just chilling out before I need to get to business, because I have some business to get to. Lots of work to do, lots of things to do today. I think I'm gonna start with the cleaning a little bit in the living room, and then go from there. Time to do laundry. I just submitted one of the videos that I had to submit today. Well, this is the main one. The other one I didn't need to submit it. I just needed to film it. So I'm working on that still, but it's so late, y'all. It's like 10:09, and let's just say today was not very productive. I tried, but it was just it was hard because I had a lot to do. I ended up cleaning for a lot of the day. I'm still cleaning. I'm still doing laundry. Like I said earlier, we are going away tomorrow morning, so I really wanted to like clean a bit before we left, but then I also had work to do. I just look crazy, y'all, ignore that. But I'm almost done with the laundry. I finished washing the sheets and stuff like that. I'm doing like 2 more loads after I did 2 more loads after the sheets, but I'm waiting to wash everything and fold everything before I put the sheets on, so I don't want the bed to get dusty, the clean sheets. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go make myself a green juice because I feel like I need some like greens or something, you know, a detox. So I still have my juicer out, so I'm gonna make a green juice and then I can wash it, and I'm running some dishes as well. I'm really just trying to get, you know, the house clean and stuff like that and put together. I feel like I've been productive. It's just that I didn't complete everything. So I shouldn't say I wasn't productive because I was very productive. I just didn't complete everything that I wanted to do yet. The day still have 2 hours, and we still have 2 hours in the day, okay? So I still have time. y'all, it is several hours later. I had my green juice. It tasted so good. The pineapple really just added a kick. I never really do pineapple green juices. I need to do them more often because it tasted really good. It's like a pina colada but green juice. Maybe I'm reaching. Anyways, it's super late. I need to finish packing for tomorrow. I pretty much have everything laid out though. I just kind of have to dump it into a suitcase. I'm going to share one with my kids, just make it simple. But we do need to pick up a couple things tomorrow, like life jackets and water shoes for the kids. So that's something we need to pick up. But other than that, we're pretty much ready to hit the road. And I'm just gonna take off my makeup and get ready for bed because it's literally 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm into my makeup remover, which is from Versed. This one right here. I should just take my makeup off my face. I cannot believe it is so late, but I really had stuff to do and I could not wait till I got back to do it. So there's that. So I didn't really have much of a choice. I really wanted to get up my video. I actually did not want to bring my laptop with me, but I'm gonna have to bring it just because I need to edit the description box and stuff like that. But the actual video for tomorrow is already edited and uploaded on YouTube, which is great. That's like the the hardest part. So why are all my lights turning off right now? It's giving Stranger Things. Okay, just take all that off, and then I'm gonna do some hydration tonight. I already do a lot of green juices. I noticed my skin starts to look so much better. So which is something that I forgot until this week because I've been doing a lot of vegetables and fruit this week with green juicing. I also have been doing the acai bowls with a lot of like antioxidants with antioxidants. So that's good. For cleanser tonight, I'm using You to the People. Whenever I buy this cleanser, I always tell myself I'm gonna use this only in the morning, and then I end up using it like for everything, morning and night, because I just really like how gentle it is and it cleans my face without doing too much, like my face does not feel like I'm doing the why did I take these off? The earrings are literally slapping me all over my face and okay. I need some water. I need some more water. Oh, rub that in. Rub it in. Ooh. Actually, I just realized that I need to shave my legs. I'm gonna use this hydration mask on my face, but I'm gonna take a quick shower first and then I'll do that. Alright, so I finally finished packing all our stuff. This is Callie's bag. I have Clay and I have some stuff in this one as well. And then I have all of my stuff in this bag. So I'm done packing for our little family trip. I definitely cannot wait to go. I will be vlogging so you guys will get to see where we went and all our adventures. So stay tuned for the vlog. So stay tuned for that vlog. It's coming up soon. But yeah. I am done packing and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!